In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a QR code to your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to enhance your site's engagement and interactivity, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the login page and enter your credentials. Once there, you'll be prompted to choose your method of logging in. For convenience, we're going to select Continue with Google. This option streamlines the login process, especially if your Google account is already synced with Squarespace. Click on it and you should see a list of accounts appear. Choose the account associated with your website. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to select your website. If you have multiple sites, make sure you click on the one where you'd like to add the QR code. Once you're on the correct site dashboard, it's time to get into editing mode. Look for the edit option and click on it. This will open up the page where you can start making changes. It's here that you'll be able to add new elements to your site. Once in the editing interface, one of the key features you'll need is the Add Block button. Go ahead and click on Add Block. This feature allows you to add various types of content blocks to your site, ranging from text and videos to images and forms. Today we're going to focus on adding an image block, as the QR code will be uploaded as an image. So from the list of available block types, select Image. After selecting Image, a placeholder for your image appears. To add your QR code, you'll need to click on the plus icon within this placeholder. This action will prompt a set of options on how you want to add your image. You're going to want to choose Upload File. Clicking on Upload File opens a file browser on your computer. Navigate through your files to find the QR code image you've saved. If you don't have a QR code yet, there are many online tools that can help you create one for free. Once you locate the file, select it and it will begin uploading to your Squarespace site. After the upload is complete, you'll see your QR code displayed in the image block you set up earlier. The last step, and perhaps the most crucial, is to click on Save. By saving your changes, you ensure that your newly added QR code is live and functioning on your site. This completes the process. By adding a QR code, you're offering your visitors a quick and seamless way to access additional content or interact with your brand. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a QR code to your Squarespace website, enhancing its functionality and interactivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy web designing.